What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here. Not over here. Kind of catchy.
Kong, Kong, Donkey Kong, 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 Donkey Kong, 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 Donkey Kong, 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 Donkey Kong,
Peach,
Kong,
Peach,
Kong,
Peach, toadstool. Peach,
Kong,
Peach,
Kong,
Peach, toadstool.
Yoshi!
Kong,
Peach,
Kong,
Yoshi!
toadstool.
Yoshi!
Kong,
Yoshi!
Kong,
Yoshi, Yoshi, Yoshi.
Kong,
Super Mario.
Kong,
Super Mario.
Kong,
Super Mario.
Donkey
Mario.
Yoshi!
Super
Yoshi!
Mario. Super Mario.
Yoshi!
Mario. Kong. Mario. Kong. Mario. Kong. Mario. Kong. Mario. Kong. Mario. Mario. Mario.
It's Yoshi! Yoshi!
Kong, Donkey
Super Mario. I'm
Yoshi,
Super Mario. I'm Super Mario. I'm Super Mario. I'm Super.
Singing a song all day long in Smash World!
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay!
Tap, 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 tap. Wario, Wario, oh, Wario, 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 Wario.